Hello, and welcome to Business Text and Picture Messaging Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to receive text and picture messages to an email using virtual phone numbers. Log on to the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Campaigns. Then, click on the plus button to add a new campaign. Select Text to Email. Select the texting number from the drop-down list. Enter the one-time response message that the user will receive once they send a text or picture message to the phone number. You can also customize calendar-based auto-response messages if you prefer by clicking the checkbox. Enter the email address where you would like the text and/or picture messages to be forwarded. The email subject template and the email body template fields are pre-filled, but you can customize them as required. All other fields are optional. Click Save to save the campaign. Now, let's test the service and see what happens when users send a text and/or picture message to the phone number. Let's compose a new message. Type in the phone number we have added to the account. Take a picture and attach it to the message. Text message with the picture has been sent. As you can see, the message has been received in the email inbox. You can reply to the forwarded email and the reply will go back to the user as a text message. Thanks for watching.